Hello everyone, this is Maurizio, editor-in-chief of PowerElectronicsNews.com, and I am here with Sonu Daryanani, technical writer at Power Electronics News. Hi Sonu,
Hi,
welcome board.
Maurizio, how are you?
Fine, thank you. So we are at PCIM. Welcome at PCIM, show in Nuremberg, and we are doing a recap of this day one at PCIM. So Sonu, what's news you collected from this day?
Well, I saw a lot of new innovations in wide-bandgap semiconductors,
Yes.
especially in GaN. There were some very interesting highlights. For example, Cambridge GaN devices introduced a new P2 650 volt products,
Yep.
which are for higher power applications from 1 to 5 kilowatts. They have improved thermal designs on these products. OnSemi debuted their GaN product, which is the integrated GaN HEMT with the silicon driver. And Texas Instruments debuted the intelligent power module for the first time. This is the industry's first IPM for motor drives from 150 to 250 watts. So that actually is a very new concept to have a GaN-based IPM.
Yeah,
design.
nice. I talked with the silicon carbide people in this case, so I can mention Microchip. I talked with Clayton Pillion, vice president of Microchip, and he introduced the new onboard charger. And in this new onboard charger, so it's a complete system: PFC, gate driver,
Okay.
silicon carbide, firmware to manage, and so on. I have seen also applications in terms of silicon carbide. So I was talking with Guy Moxie, Volspeed. Application in terms of e-taxi, airplane like drones, okay, where you can find
Yeah.
maximum 5 people, passenger, I mean, and but also mining trucks. And that is a new application that we can see with silicon carbide, and as well with VN Semiconductor. So I was talking with Marcus Mosen, the CEO. So they are introducing a couple of new solutions in terms of silicon carbide. I mean MOSFET and so on, but also super junction solutions. So. And I can see investment to improve the manufacturing, the substrate in this case. So we are seeing movements in terms of from 6 to 8 inch in terms of, so we should see a reduction in terms of the defects.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I guess
yeah,
that you are right in this
yeah,
case. And I think that in terms of applications, electric vehicles and renewable energies should be the big topics.
Yeah.
I was talking with a couple of speakers, the CEOs and CTO. So electric vehicle is now, but of course we need to improve powertrain infrastructure.
Yeah.
We need to invest both in parallel, maybe.
Yeah.
So, but we need also more charging station. So,
Yeah.
if I should ask you, what should we prioritize in terms of infrastructure expansion or powertrain advancement? What do you think? So it's a big deal in this.
Yeah,
in this case.
I think from a lot of people I talk to who don't have an EV yet, the infrastructure is one of the main obstacles for them to buy an EV. Because, for example, an EV might be good for in-city driving, but when you want to go outside the city, maybe 300 kilometers, 400 kilometers, you really need a good charging infrastructure. And so I feel like that really needs to come at least in parallel with the developments of all the improvements in the EV itself.
Right. So as a silicon carbide, I have posted an article this morning, a news from Corvo.
Yeah.
Did you see the news?
Yes.
Yeah, this is a new silicon carbide JFET 4 million in terms of RDS-on for solid state circuit breakers.
Yeah,
Solid state
yeah,
circuit breaker.
yeah.
So this is a new technology, we can say. So now is conservative probably because mechanical,
Yeah.
and they are trying to switch to silicon carbide.
Right.
So let's see. So in the press releases, as Corvo mentioned, this is a toll package and so they say that the new devices should reduce solution side by 40% compared to conventional packaging and the packaging and so on. So I did an interview with Andy Milson of Corvo, and he reported. So Corvo is thrilled about this announcement. Let's see the next improvements.
And this is definitely a new
and
application.
You wrote an article about solid state circuit breaker.
Yeah, definitely this is a new application for silicon carbide to use in a circuit breaker. It's gives a lot of advantages over a mechanical circuit breaker in terms of no arcing and more control in terms of the settings, at what point it'll trigger, and protect the actual device much faster. So it's exciting. Yeah.
Right. So other couple of news. So Applied EV has chosen Sysoid, the silicon carbide inverter control module for for their autonomous vehicles in this case, and also Infineon is working in terms of decarbonization by providing customers with the product carbon footprint data. You can find more information on powerelectronicsnews.com. So Sonu, with this day it's all. See you tomorrow for the second day, day 2.
Yeah, it's an exciting start, and I think it can only get better in day 2.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you everyone, and stay tuned.
Thank you.